Hey everyone, today we will be talking about the top 10 settings to protect your iPhone against theft. Now, iPhones are expensive and contain a lot of personal information, so it's important to take steps to protect them from being stolen. So the tip number one is about your passcode. If you are using the 4-digit passcode, then you have to know that it's very easy to crack the passcodes with 4 digits because the password combination for 4 digits are 1 in 1000. So the iPhone has two options when it comes to passcode. It's 4 digits and then 6 digits. And I would recommend using 6 digits passcode for extra security layer. Now let me tell you how to do it. Go into settings and scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode and again scroll down to the bottom, select change passcode option and again enter your passcode. Now you will see a new option here, the passcode options. Tap on it and you can see we have 3 extra options for passcode here. If you use custom alphanumeric code, it will allow you to use alphabets and characters other than just numbers, which is more secure. Then we can use custom numeric code, which will use just numbers, but you can have more than 6 digits here. And at the end we can see 6 digits passcode option. Tap on that and enter your new passcode. Now the next thing you need to do is to lock your control center and notification panel. Let me show you what that means. So when my phone is locked, if I swipe down from the right or left on the lock screen, it will open up my control center and notifications panel. Now if the phone got stolen, the first thing that a person would do is to swipe down to the control center and put it on airplane mode so that no one can track it. To lock the control center on lock screen, go into settings, again scroll down to the Face ID and passcode, open and scroll down. At the bottom you will see the section allow access when locked. Turn off the notification center and control center. Now you won't be able to use control center and notification panel on the lock screen unless it's on. Next tip is to turn off the USB access, which means until the iPhone is unlocked, no one will be able to access it through Lightning port. So why is that? Because if you search the term juice checking on the Google, you can see that the people can use that to jailbreak into your iPhone. So once you turn off USB access, no one will be able to connect the phone with PC or Mac until it's unlocked. Again, go into settings, scroll down and open Face ID and passcode. Now go all the way down and under access when locked, you will see this option, USB accessories or just accessories. Turn that option off and no one will be able to access the phone with USB when it's locked. Tip number 4 is to turn on required attention for Face ID, which means that your Face ID should only work if you're looking at your phone. So let's say if you're sleeping at your home or while traveling and someone just pick up your phone and points it at your face and it will open up. With required attention, it will prevent the phone from unlock if you're sleeping. Now once again go into settings and open up Face ID and passcode. Scroll down and you will see the option required attention for Face ID. Turn that on and you're good to go. Next tip is to give permission of precise location to your Find My Phone app. Find My app will help you find your phone if it gets stolen, and if you haven't given it permission of the precise location, then it will only show you the area where the phone is located. To give the permission of precise location, go into settings, scroll down and open privacy and security. Now go into location services and make sure that it's turned on at all time. Now scroll down again and go to Find My. If you can't see that option in the list, then that means you haven't set it up yet. So just go and set it up first. Open Find My and make sure that while using the app is selected, and under that you have the option of precise location. Make sure that it's also turned on. Always keep Find My on. If you accidentally turned it off while sharing something, then make sure that it's turned on again. Now how to do that? Go into settings, tap on your Apple ID, then open up Find My and then Find My Phone. In here you have to make sure that Find My iPhone option is on. Now tip number 7 and 8 is to turn on Send Last Location and Find My Network. So let's say the phone got stolen and the battery is low. Before the phone gets switched off, it will send a last location to your Apple ID. Find My Network is also very important, which means we can still find the phone even it is turned off. To use these options, go into settings, open up your Apple ID and then open up Find My and go into Find My Phone. Now in here you can see both options, Find My Phone and Send Last Location. Make sure to turn both of them on. Now the tip number 9 is about using an eSIM. How does that secure your phone? Well, with physical SIM, anyone can pull out the SIM tray and throw it away, which then makes it difficult to locate the phone using network. With eSIM, which is embedded into the phone, so that whenever the phone is on, it will get the network and it will be easy to track. Now the last tip is not for a normal iPhone user. It's for those people who have important documents on their phones and maybe don't want those documents or data to go into anyone else's hand. Once again, this setting is not for normal users, so don't use it unless you have some kind of important data on your phone. The setting is whenever someone tries to enter your phone using your passcode, after 10 failed attempts, it will automatically erase all of the data. Unless you have a complete backup on iCloud, you won't be able to recover the data. Now how to turn that feature on? Go into settings, open up Face ID and passcode, scroll all the way down and at the end you will see the option erase data. Again, don't turn it on unless it's completely necessary. So these are the 10 tips to secure your iPhone against theft. If you like these tips, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.